Hi, 8th grade, this is Miss Harkness, and this video is to go along with graphing systems of equations, part 2. This video is going to show you how to find the x and y intercept of a standard form equation. So, some background information. We know that a y-intercept is where the line crosses our y-axis. So it's going to be somewhere here on this vertical line. What we haven't really looked at is, what about our x? Is there an x-intercept, and how do we find it? So what are some things that we know? We know that our y-intercept is going to have an x value of 0, and then whatever the value of y is, because it falls somewhere here on my y-axis. There's no x depth, no positive or negative value of x, it's just 0. So what we can do is we can consider that information. Since x is going to be 0, let's make x 0. 3 times 0 plus 2y equals 6. So that left side just disappears completely because 3 times 0 is 0. So that gives me 2y equals 6. Y equals 3. That's my y-intercept. This would be right about up here at positive 3. So what about my x-intercept? Can I use a similar concept to find where it crosses my x-axis right here? And we can. Instead of making our y value 0, instead of making our x value 0, we're going to make our y value 0, because wherever it crosses our x-axis, there's no height to it. It's just 0. So let's come back to our equation. 3x plus 2 times 0, 6. 3x equals 6, because this is going to disappear. Anything times 0 is 0. Divide both sides by 3, x equals 2. So there's my x-intercept, 2, 0. I can connect these points, and now my line is graphed. Now you're going to want to extend either way a little bit further for when you graph your second equation, but by using intercepts, you can graph a lot faster. That's all.